In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a bag using only ChatGPT to create a full business on Amazon KDP. That's right, it's not cool to gatekeep because I want to help out those who want to make more to build that dream room or dream house even. So, let's go. Welcome back, Nerd Techs. You're watching AI Fire, and this is a full tutorial on how to make a business on Amazon KDP. It will be super easy, fast, convenient for those who are as lazy as me. But first, what is Amazon KDP, you may ask? Well, it's an online publishing platform that authors can use to self-publish and sell their books over the web globally. Whether it's ebooks, paperbacks, or hardcover, this will be perfect for writers. But what if you're not a writer, but you still want to get some money? Don't worry, I got you. That's why we use ChatGPT. You want to make sure your book is also about what is trending right now, like a hot search for books. So you go to ChatGPT and put it in a prompt. This is the prompt I create to get ChatGPT to give me a perfect output for writing a story. I will leave it in the description below, so feel free to check that out, because yo girl got your back. And this will be the result that came back, a perfectly 10 pages book that most definitely can be sold. I personally would buy this book, And then you can ask it to give you an illustration correspond to page 1 in the story above. Next step, you only need to upload your final product on Amazon KDP. Head over to the Amazon KDP website and sign up for an account. You will need an existing Amazon account to do this, or simply create a new one if you don't. Once your account is ready, click on Create a New Title and select Kindle ebook. Here you will provide all the essential details about your book. And when it's time to upload your manuscript, make sure it's in a compatible format like PDF or Word, which KDP can process smoothly. Also, here are the tips that I want to share with you guys to get the real deal out of it. Visibility is key in the crowded marketplace of Amazon KDP. You can also use AI to create your book's listing with target keywords and the most relevant categories. It can scan and analyze large volumes of data to identify the search terms and categories that will bring the most traffic to your page. Pricing isn't just a number. It's a strategy that can dictate your book's market performance. So make sure that you got the price that will seem like a hot deal to customers. That is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoy watching this. If you do, leave a comment and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next AI Fire video.